Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Kahoot. You can, what kind of Kahoot? We're gonna sign up. I'll sign up socially, sign up with an email. June 5th. Perfect. I'll just use my name. Melissa.Morales. Morales, M-O-R-A-L-E-S. 5, 6, 7. How about a smiley face? Wow. Okay, we'll do 22. How is that already taken? Okay, it's not. Jeez. And we're going to use an email address. That one. Ready to fill it in. Make that password. I have used Kahoot before. I do not want their stuff in my inbox. And I agree. Once you've created Kahoot, you're going to want to do Code Basic because you don't want to pay for it. I don't want to personalize right now. I am going to create. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Just kidding. I want to create a new Kahoot. Make a quiz. The flying potatoes. I can make it visible to only me or everyone. Audience. We'll do social. You can add images, cite resources, do an intro video. We're gonna hit OK, go. Oh. Descriptions. Just kidding. A quiz about potatoes that fly. Okay. I do not want to add an image right now. And then you can add a question. Question 1. Let's do let's see, what's a good question? How about what is the color of a potato? 20-second time limit, red, orange, purple, or blue. We'll do blue and then purple. Okay. And then we have to pick a correct answer. Oh shoot, I didn't even put a correct answer there. Alright, we'll take out red. I guess there can be red potatoes. Most potatoes are brown. And that will be the right answer. And then you hit next. And then you can keep adding questions. You can change the time limit. We'll do question 2. We'll make it, what is the, okay, I don't know. What is the purpose of a potato? I don't know. To fight, to consume, let's see, I don't know how that's spelled. To fly, oh, to, I don't know, run. And the answer will be to consume. And there you go. You can just keep adding questions. You can go back and edit questions, edit the quiz. Then you can save it. Then you can play it if you'd like. Well, I guess you can't do, you have to do more, but you can play with the app. You can, yeah, and you get a game pin and everything. It's easy to do if you're doing, for a class project or want the kids to create their own Kahoot. It's perfect.